In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bulk change issues in Jira. Now with this feature, you're going to be able to update multiple issues at once instead of doing them one by one. So to do that, we're first going to go ahead and click on Filters up at the top and click on View All Issues. And let's say we want to do this for bugs only. Okay, so in my case, I would go to my project, filter this out by project, and then by issue type of bug. Now that we have our filtered issues, to bulk change, we're going to click on these three dots on the right hand side and click on bulk change. And you're going to select all of these issues, click on next. And let's say I want to bulk change the status, right? So transitioning from backlog to in progress. So this would be the status from backlog to in progress. I'm going to go back to a bulk operation and click on transition issues. And I'm going to select the only status that I have available, which in this case is in progress. I'm going to click on next. And you don't have to select this send mail for update if you don't want to. Just click confirm. Click confirm. And it takes a couple of seconds. There we go. Now click on done. And now if I refresh this, they're all in progress now. And that's the main advantage with bulk change.